In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country and manage flag visibility in your profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what each option means, and how to make sure your changes stick. First, let's open Settings. Look for the gear icon, which is often at the top of the page near your profile picture. If you don't see the gear, click your profile picture and choose Settings from the menu. On some layouts, there's also a Settings link in the bottom left corner of any page. Any of these paths will take you to the same place, so use whichever is easiest for you. Once you're on the Settings page, find the left-hand menu and click on Profile. This is where your public-facing information lives, including what country is shown alongside your name and whether a flag appears. Now scroll down to the section labeled Details. This area contains fields like your display preferences and location. We're interested in the country field. You'll see a drop-down menu next to country. Click it to open the full list and choose your new country. If the list is long, start typing the country name to jump directly to it. Keep in mind, this choice usually controls what flag appears on your profile and may influence regional formats or content. If you're changing this because you've moved, pick your new primary location. If you're traveling temporarily, you might still prefer to keep your original country. If you'd rather not display a specific national flag at all, you have an optional setting right here. Instead of selecting a specific country, choose International. This replaces your country flag with a neutral, global indicator, which is useful if you collaborate with a worldwide audience or simply prefer not to highlight a particular country. After you've made your selection, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step is essential. Your new country or international selection won't be applied until you save. Give it a moment and look for a confirmation message or check your profile to see the updated flag or neutral icon. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page. Occasionally, the profile view caches older data. If the Save button appears disabled, make sure you actually change the drop-down selection before trying again. That's it. You've opened Settings, navigated to Profile, adjusted your country or chosen International, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated profile.